In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a domain from Northwest Registered Agent. If you're looking to move your domain to a different registrar, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's get started. First things first, you'll want to log into your Northwest Registered Agent account. Head over to their homepage and enter your login credentials. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Now, look towards the top middle of the screen. You'll see a navigation bar with several options. Click on the one that says Services. This is where you'll find a list of all the services you have with Northwest, and it's the first step in accessing your domain information. After you've clicked on Services, a drop-down menu or a new page will appear, depending on how their site is currently set up. Here, you'll want to select Domains. This will take you to a page listing all the domains you have registered with them. Once you're on the Domains page, you should see a list of your domains. Find the domain you wish to transfer. Next to it, or possibly within a menu, there will be an option labeled Transfer. Click on Transfer to initiate the process. This action will start the domain transfer procedure, which typically involves unlocking your domain and obtaining an authorization code, also known as an EPP code. This code is crucial as it will be required by the new registrar to complete the transfer. Keep in mind that transfers aren't immediate. They can take anywhere from a few hours to several days, depending on the registrars involved and the domain's current status. During this time, ensure that your domain is unlocked and you have access to the admin email linked with your domain, as this is where you'll receive important notifications regarding the transfer. And there you have it. You've initiated the transfer of your domain from Northwest Registered Agent. Remember, if at any point you run into trouble, Northwest's customer support is there to help. They can offer additional guidance and ensure that your transfer goes smoothly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Have a great day, and good luck with your domain transfer.